Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit the transparent PNG throw pillow mockup in PIxlr. First, go to PIxlr.com, PIxlr.com in any web browser. It'll give you a couple of options. We're going to click the Playful Pixlr X option. And then we'll click the Open Image button on the left side to open up the mockup. It's going to ask us if we want to downsize the image. We don't really want to do that, so we'll click Alter HD to open up the full-size image. And then when it opens it up to add your design, you want to click on this bottom icon on the left hand side that says Add Image when you hover over it. And then we'll click on Browse to find an image on the computer. It's going to ask us if you want to create a new document for this image or add it to the current document. We'll click Add Current. When it comes in, you might want to resize it. So to do that, you want to click on any of the four corners and then hold down the Shift key to keep it proportional and just drag in to make it smaller or out to make it bigger. And then when you think you got it about the right size, you can kind of hover over it and you can stop holding on the Shift key at that point. And when you see the tool with the four arrows, you can just click and drag it into place. Now to add the background, we're going to go back to the left hand side and just click Browse again. And we'll just find the background image and click on that. And then we'll click Add Current again. And it's going to think on us for a few seconds. It likes to show that little spinning beach ball. And when it brings it in, if it's a little small or big, you can always click on the one of the four corners again and hold down the Shift key to resize it if you need to. You notice it brought it into the top layer, so we want to move it to underneath the pillow. Usually the bottom layer is locked, so we need to unlock that first. So in the Layers panel here, when we hover over the thumbnail icon, we'll see this little tiny padlock icon and it'll say Locked when we hover over it. Just double click on that to unlock it, and then you can click and drag on the background layer and just drag it underneath the pillow. And then now the layers will be in the right order, and we're done with that. So we'll just click the Save button to save our hard work. And if you're going to use this as a thumbnail on sites like Etsy, you're going to want a JPEG. So we'll click JPEG, and we will change the quality to 100, and we'll keep it on high, and then click Download. And it's going to let us know that the image was saved to the default download folder on our device, and we can change the folder where the files get saved if we want to do that. If you wanted to save the original Pixlr document too, you could click the Save button again, and then just click PXD this time, and then Download again. Please message me at melissabmockups.com if you have any questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. And as always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you.